Traditional Chinese egg fried rice recipe. Fried egg rice is a Chinese seared egg and rice dish beginning in the Sua line and some of the time alluded to as vegan or Chinese singed rice. Plans and cooking times vary generally, yet regular fixings incorporate garlic, stew garlic sauce, ginger, eggs, bacon strips, cut green onions, and a mix of green verdant spices normal to the area. The veggie lovers have made an assortment of singed rice by adding different vegetables into the rice, contingent upon their taste. This formula underneath is very simple to make all alone with simple guidelines and a definite fixing list. Preparation time, 30 minutes. Cooking time, 10 minutes. Serving, 4. Ingredients. 1. Red chilies, 2 jalapeno, 1 large. 3. Sliced green onions, ½ cup. 4. White peppercorns, 1 teaspoon. 5. Fresh ginger, 1 teaspoon. 6. Fish sauce, 1 tablespoon. 7. Soy sauce, 1 tablespoon. 8. Chinese 5-spice, ½ teaspoon. 9. Chili garlic sauce, 2 tablespoon. 10. Fresh cilantro leaves, ½ cup. 11. Fresh basil leaves, ¼ cup. 12. Chicken broth, 1 can. 13. Minced lemongrass, 1 teaspoon. 14. Chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon. 15. Sesame oil, 2 tablespoon. 16. Egg, 1 large. 17. Bacon slices, ½ cup. 18. Cooked rice, as required. Instructions. 1. Take a wok. 2. Add the minced lemongrass, white peppercorns, chopped garlic, Chinese 5 spices, red chilies, basil leaves and ginger into the wok. 3. Take a non-stick frying pan. 4. Add the bacon strips into the pan. 5. Cook the bacon strips and chop them. 6. Add the chicken broth and sauces into the wok mixture. 7. Cook the dish for 10 minutes. 8. Add the cooked rice into the mixture. 9. Mix the rice well and cook it for 5 minutes. 10. Add the egg into the wok by pushing the rest of the ingredients to a side. 11. Add the bacon and then mix the rest of the ingredients into it. 12. Cook the dish for 5 more minutes. 13. Add the cilantro into the dish. 14. Mix the rice and then dish it out. 15. Your dish is ready to be served.